Meaning of gooey.
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 Gooey. Gooey describes something that is soft, sticky, and viscous in texture. It often refers to substances such as melted cheese, warm caramel, or thick pudding. When something is described as gooey, it suggests a certain level of messiness and stickiness. It can be both pleasing or unappealing depending on the context. Gooey desserts are often indulgent and decadent, while a person's hands covered in gooey mud might be considered unpleasant. In essence, gooey is a word that evokes a sense of stickiness and viscosity in the mind of the listener or reader.